I'm Vandana. Minimi is my fashion label, fashion kidswear label. I started this in 2010.
What sparked your interest in fashion?
So, what sparked my interest in fashion? As a child, I always loved smaller things in life and little beautiful things in life. Little, the colors, the textures, the kind of, for anything that you take, even fabrics. So I used to be intrigued by all those beautiful things that was there. So I was very much interested in all these things from a young age. Plus, I had an aunt who was super fashionable. She used to be wearing all kinds of clothes and fabrics from different areas of India, and plus even her dad, that is my grandfather, used to go abroad and get fabrics, so that kind of fabrics from all over the country and all over the world. So I used to really enjoy dressing up and dressing up dolls as a child. So all that really mattered, how it falls, the fabric falling and all those, the GSM and everything. I was very interested in that from a young age. Then I started studying in home science, where there is textiles involved in that. So from there it went on to, I'm still studying.
Are you self taught or did you study fashion design?
So are you self-taught or did I study fashion design? Yes, I did study fashion design. I am from NIFT, Bangalore, 2003 batch, and then later on I started working, and then after a few years of working I did my course in business management in Central St. Martin's in London. Before that, I was definitely self-taught. Before I got into NIFT, I was doing home science, so there are a lot of textiles involved and a lot of garment manufacturing involved in that. So before that, I had that little bit of training, and before home science, I always loved how to stitch clothes for dolls and how to stitch clothes for little cousins of mine. So it is being self-taught in the beginning, but later I did a professional course.
How has your work evolved since you began your own label?
How has my work evolved after I started my own label? When I started my label, I started with doing cotton clothes, cotton dresses for kids, because my daughter was also small. So I did a lot of comfort clothing, but then I started a shop. So from there, my customer base started coming in. The customer base, they wanted a lot of ethnic garments, because in India, of course, you have so many festivals. So I got from Western wear, I still do Western wear, I still do cottons, but from there I started doing Indian wear. Indian wear, it definitely is so beautiful. I mean, there's a lot of fabric evolved and all that. So yeah, it's evolved so beautifully.
What do you keep in mind while designing clothes for kids?
What do I keep in mind while designing for clothes for kids? I would definitely say comfort, safety and style is definitely there, but comfort and safety comes priority. Comfort in the way the kids have very sensitive skin, so you need to have breathable fabrics, something that doesn't scratch them. They're very finicky. I know a lot of kids who are so finicky about even a little thread. Even the label is very sensitive for them. So I make sure all that is soft cornered, and I make sure the comfort factor is more prominent, because they'll run around, they'll soil their clothes, and so it's something that they would love to wear. They should enjoy wearing it. And the safety part is, I remember when I was working in different export houses, they're very particular that they don't put any buttons or beads. Even if they put buttons and beads, they're very well secured. That's one thing I really learned when I was in export houses, when I'm doing for brands, for abroad brands. So these things are, even for my kids, where I don't do a lot of embroideries, which involves a lot of sequins and beads, because anything it can choke. If it goes into the mouth, it can choke. Children will take it out and it will come off, and it's so that ways I really look into it. Then style, they have to look like kids. I don't like them when they look like mini adults. I definitely style them up to make them look so cuddleable. They're like gift wrapped. So that's three things that I keep in mind.
What advice would you give to young designers?
What advice I would give to young designers? I would say build your network. Get connected with the right people at fashion events. talk to as many people in the same field. That is your net worth. Second thing is build your portfolio. Try and work with as many fashion designers as possible, as many top labels as possible. So these are the two things.